Welcome back, loves. So today I have some super exciting content for you guys. I did a little shopping. Actually, backstory is I did some shopping online on some items that I wanted to see in person. So I actually ordered them online and had them delivered to the store, which I actually prefer. I don't really like to have items shipped to my house just for security and safety reasons, and also it's very inconvenient to wait for a signature. So if I'm in a meeting or anything, I don't have to worry about it. It gets shipped to the store and then I can go and pick it up in person. So I actually prefer to do that. So I actually went online, saw some items that really piqued my interest and I wanted to see them in person. So there was a lot of people in the store. So I ended up just taking it home and I wanted to open it with you guys and get your thoughts on it. So let's get to unboxing. Okay, so the first item I'm going to open with you guys is actually a brand new bag from Louis Vuitton, and I saw it online and I know they didn't have it in the store and I was really interested in seeing it in person. It's a little different and I don't know if it's my style, but I'm excited to show it to you guys, and I will do mod shots and all of that with it because it's definitely different. It's not something I would usually gravitate towards. So let's open it up. Okay, and it is the Louis Vuitton, and I'm going to 100% butcher this, but is the Louis Vuitton Boulogne. It kind of looks like it's spelled like bologna, but the Boulogne bag. And this is in the monogram canvas print with the black leather detailing, and it has these really chunky zipper pulls. But the reason why it really piqued my interest is because it has like a very like vintage looking style to it, and it's honestly really well made. I love the black leather detail, but the real reason was, and you guys know, you know me pretty well, is the functionality of the strap interchangeability. So it actually comes with a leather strap that's adjustable. So it adjusts to two lengths. One is a shorter, like shoulder strap length. I'm gonna clip them on and I'll just show you what it looks like. A shoulder length strap, leather. And I definitely have this on wrong, so guys, bear with me for 1 second. Do I have it on wrong? Oh, maybe it goes like this. Yes, okay. This is the shoulder length strap, and it actually extends into a crossbody, and I love this strap. This is the strap that just clips. It snaps. It doesn't actually have like the notches like a belt, which I just don't really like that style very much. And it has Louis Vuitton on the clasps, but it also has a gold chain, and it's a really cute, it's like a very miniature version of the Cousin chain, but it does not have like any of the etching or anything in there. So I'm gonna clip that on just to show you what it looks like all together. It's like really cute. And this is what it looks like. I'm totally gonna try it on for you guys in a second, but this is how it looks if you wanted to wear it high in the body. I mean, that's obviously as a shoulder strap. But oh my gosh, it is so cute. And then you can wear this as like the shoulder strap if you wanted to. Okay, so my first thoughts are, it is really, really cute. I have not been gravitating towards the monogram canvas very recently. I've gotten the new mini Cousin bag, not the new mini Cousin bag. I got the new mini Capucines. I've had the Cousin bag in white. So I haven't been gravitating towards monogram bags, but all of this talk and conversation around the canvas and Louis Vuitton kind of not discontinuing it, but holding it back for clients that I guess are at a certain tier and really pushing the leather bags. Like, I love their leather bags. I'm definitely feeling them, but I wanted to see what other monogram bags in canvas that were out there that I might like. And it's a little bigger than I'm used to, but I just really think the functionality of it is cute. It's a really easy, relaxed shape. It looks like it fits quite a lot. Do I have my phone? I have my phone right here. So this is the 11 Pro, and this actually would fit really well into, there's a big pocket. It's really hard for me to show you guys. There's a big pocket. I'll try to do some up close shots, but there's a big pocket in here. It fits in there perfectly. I mean, it is large. I think it's like a good size. I don't tend to carry a lot right now, so I don't need a bag this big. It's like not large, but it's large for me. But oh my God, how cute is this? So cute. And I will insert mod shots for you guys on this bag, but yes. And this bag actually retails for, I believe it's like $1,900, which, guys, I think that's a really hard price to beat when it comes to Louis Vuitton. I feel like it's a very, very competitive price. So for a monogram bag with leather detailing of this size, with the functionality of chains and straps and all of that, that can be worn as a shoulder bag or a crossbody, I think like anything under $2,000 on Louis Vuitton is a pretty decent deal. This also does come in a like a vachetta detail instead of the black, so you can actually get it in that coloring. And I believe this is a remake of a vintage style bag, an older bag that they used to have, but you couldn't interchange the straps or anything like that, and it only came in the vachetta natural leather. Yeah, so it's $1,980, and it does come in those two colors and only in this size right now. But I honestly think it is a great bag. So let me know what your thoughts are. I know it's not my style, and when Jamie saw me look at it online, he was like, I don't know if like that's you, but I'm gonna show him when he gets home. I'll try it on for him and see what he thinks. But let me know what you guys think about this bag. I mean, I think the price point is great. I like the functionality. I like that the straps and chains come with it, and that I can actually use these on other bags. I always try to think about that when I'm looking at other bags. But super, super cute. But yeah, I wanted to see it in person, and with it not being in stores, it was hard for me to even try it on. So I'm gonna try it on and see if it's something I'll end up keeping. But it's really cute. It has a cute like a leather tab on the pocket back here. But yeah, please let me know your thoughts. I'm gonna post a poll on Instagram too and just see what you guys think. I'll try it on with different outfits on there as well. But yeah, this was like a really pleasant surprise. I didn't know what to expect from the quality and all of that, but I think it's really, really well done. And this is the Boulogne bag once again. So I will link it below for you guys from the LV website if you want to look at it for yourself, and this is something that you think is more your style. But yeah, I'm gonna obviously inspect it a little bit closer and let you know when I decide. Okay. Next up is, you can tell like I was already halfway from opening it, but this is a ready-to-wear item. Is that what it is? I don't think it's ready-to-wear. These are shoes, as you can tell, from Louis Vuitton. And if you guys follow me at all, you know that I actually made videos on the Hermes Oran sandals, And if you follow me on Instagram, you know what happened. I ended up choosing the brown insole model of the Oran sandals from Hermes, and within 3 days of wearing them, the front part started to peel back. So I emailed Hermes. I actually asked everybody on Instagram, I was like, is this normal? Because I'm not over here like hiking outside with my sandals. I'm just walking around, maybe in my house, like around, nothing aggressive. And everybody said, no, it's not normal, that they've had theirs for years and never happened. So I called Hermes. I sent them photos, and they said it wasn't normal, that they deemed them defective and to send them back and they would send me a new pair. But with Hermes, you don't know which insole color you're gonna get. It shows white on the website, but you can get either brown or white. It just depends what the warehouse selects. And I actually liked the brown. I felt like it was gonna last longer because I liked the white color, but it can get dirty over time. And for that price, I wanted them to last a little bit longer. So I ended up sending them back and getting a refund. And hopefully I can go into a store and try them on again and make sure that the pair that I get is the one that I want. But I digress, because kind of leans into what I was looking for out of a shoe. And I had seen these online and I had seen them in store windows, but I wanted to try them on for myself. So we have, and I'm really curious to know if you guys would have guessed this for me, but we have the Louis Vuitton Baume Dia sandals. And these are the monogram in black, and I'll take the tissue paper out, but they kind of, they're adjustable, and they are black leather, and just honestly stunning sandals. And I will definitely, I've tried, okay, so I went into the store, I had ordered them, I tried them on just to make sure they were my size. They were so comfortable. I don't know what it is. Like, this isn't even normally a style I gravitate towards, but these were so comfortable that I couldn't stop thinking about them, and I was like, I need them. So we are now home with them, and I have not like worn them yet or anything. So I'm like almost 100% sure these are mine forever. I'm probably gonna keep them. So I didn't see too many videos like online about them or anything super negative. So I'm pretty sure that these are pretty popular. I think I've seen them online a decent amount, but I'm obsessed with these. So let me open both really quick just to make sure that they are everything I hoped they would be. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And yeah, that's them. So I will definitely include some mod shots. If I don't include them right here, I will add them to the end of the video. But these are the Baume Dia sandals from Louis Vuitton, and I am in love with them. They are so cute. Okay, and finally, sadly, is an SLG that I saw, actually I saw Foxy post that it was coming out, Foxy LV from Instagram. She had posted this item coming out soon, and I actually thought it was very practical looking, but I have a few compact wallets. I actually just made an SLG collection video. I will link it here for you guys, but I was hoping to find another compact wallet similar to my Chanel card holder, but more slim because of the mini bags that I carry. I was hoping to get something a little bit slimmer, but that could hold more than like my card holder does. So my LV card holder. So I thought this would be perfect, but let me just like show it to you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is the Louis Vuitton card. They call it just the card holder, but it's like a gusseted card holder. It has, if you guys can see that, it has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compartments. So when you open it up, and it has a really cute like black clip. You open it up and it has all of these compartments that stretch out and you can actually put your cards in, which I thought would be really great. But this one I ordered all of them, but this one, it just came in such poor condition. It's already like, looks damaged right here, and it also is just so sloppy looking. It looks just like a mess. Like, I would never in a million years think that LV would sell something like this. It does not look good, and hopefully that does it justice, but it's really terribly done. So I am 100% not keeping this item. I'm gonna bring it back to the store and talk to them about it, ask if this is normal, because it just looks really bad, and I would hate for any of you to purchase this and have the same thing happen. So I'm gonna talk to them about it, make sure that this is not normal. But yeah, it just, even the glazing around the leather looks bad, and the button even looks worn, and I've never even done anything with it. So yeah, unfortunately this one is definitely not staying. But if you guys can think of any other like super compact wallets that are really just for cards and receipts and things like that, like I like organization, but I like it to be compact. And this is, you know, a little thinner than my Chanel one, but yeah, it's just not for me. So this one will be going back, but this is the gusseted card holder for anyone that was looking at it online or had seen it online, like on Instagram like I had. So this is that one. Okay, so what did everyone think of my purchases? I am like really kind of into this bag. Let me know your thoughts on the new Boulogne bag, and also let me know your thoughts on the Bombardier sandals. I'm very into them. But until next time, guys, thank you for unboxing these items with me. As always, any questions that you have, definitely shoot me a message on Instagram at Decor and Designer. I'm very active on there. But I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.